Hello friends, welcome back to my channel where we explore innovative interior design concepts. In this video, we delve into the realm of false ceiling designs, showcasing how this architectural feature can transform your living space into a contemporary heaven. Join us as we unveil a myriad of captivating false ceiling designs tailored to suit diverse tastes and preferences. From minimalistic chic to opulent extravagance, we will guide you through a visual feast of inspiration, offering insights into the latest trends and timeless classics. Our expert tips and tricks will empower you to navigate the intricacies of false ceiling installation, ensuring a seamless execution of your design vision. Whether you are revamping your living room, bedroom, or office space, our comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and inspiration needed to embark on your interior design journey with confidence. Join us as we elevate your space with innovative false ceiling designs, turning ordinary rooms into extraordinary showcases of style and sophistication. Don't miss out, subscribe to our channel and unlock the secret of unlocking your space's full potential. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.